My name is Louis Cachadorian, and I'm a risk management insurance major. Hello, my name is Louis Cachadorian, and today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel, specifically the sum product function on Microsoft Excel. We're going to go ahead and start by putting our name in the name column and our student identification in the student ID place. And today we're going to be doing sum product. So let's go click on sum product. It should bring you to a sheet that looks quite like this. Our first task in H2 is to build a math formula to calculate regular pay. We are going to go ahead. Regular pay would be cell C2 times cell E2. And that would be the regular pay, considering that she worked 40 regular hours and got paid $22 per hour. We're also going to build a similar formula in cell I2 to show the overtime pay. In this scenario, we're going to click F2, multiply that by D2, which is the overtime rate, and it should come back as 0 considering she worked 0 overtime hours. We are going to go ahead and use the fill handle on both of these columns to show the pay through the weeks, and we are also going to go by sort and filters and custom sort. We are going to sort by week, smallest to largest. Click OK, and it should show each week in order rather than each person. In cell J4, we are going to use the sum product function and calculate the regular pay through week 1, which should be the first 1, 2, 3 rows, and close paren, enter, and in cell K4, we are going to also use the sum product function to show the overtime pay, which in this case scenario should be 0. And I'm not sure I like the way that we have these cells. So these cells formatted, so I'm going to go ahead and change it to currency, considering the fact that we're using money. And we are going to replicate this formula by copying and pasting in cells, in rows 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, and 22, and 24. 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, and 24. Okay, just had to make sure we did it correctly. And we're also going to get rid of that dancing green line and do the same thing with overtime pay in these same rows. All right. Get rid of the dancing green line, and as you can see, the form just to double check, the formula is sum product I5, which would be right here, I5, and what else? I7, which would be right here, and it adds all these to show the overtime pay of these 3 people in week 2. And for column J, we select column J, and we're gonna set a filter to it. We're gonna use this filter to to omit all the blanks by deselecting the blanks and clicking apply. That should leave us with this. Um, and we are going to insert a stacked column chart, which would be in the charts and named stacked column chart. We'll just go with the 2D and expand it. Well, sorry, do that one more time. Deselect that, go to, no, select these two by clicking this and then using shift and your right arrow. I read the directions wrong. And then creating a stacked column chart. Which for some reason is not showing any data. One more time, we're just going to select these two columns, insert, charts, stacked column. There we go. And lastly, we are going to name the chart and call it, get rid of the current name, and call it stacked column chart. So stacked column chart. That concludes this video. Thank you for your patience, and I'm going to go ahead and end this recording.